How to draw an ellipse using the concentric circle method. From point O, draw circles with radius equal to the length of minor axis and major axis. Draw two perpendiculars NS and WE that intersect at point O. Divide the circle in 12 equal parts. Each part will be at 30-degree interval. Now keep a set square at point A and drop a perpendicular A dash. Now keep set square at point B and draw a line that is perpendicular to A dash. This gives us new intersection C. Do the same for all the other radii. This will give us 12 intersections. Finally, join these intersections using a French scale.